Imran Khan Niazi is a former Pakistani international cricketer, philanthropist, and a politician who is the leader of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaaf. Khan was born in Lahore, where he studied at Aitchison College and pursued his graduation from Keble College at the University of Oxford. He played cricket for his university and was selected for the Pakistan national team at the age of 18. He went on to become one of Pakistan's greatest cricketers ever and also captained the team to a World Cup win in 1992. He played for a span of around 2 decades and took 362 test wickets. Khan is recognized as one of the finest all-rounder of his times. After his retirement from cricket, Khan entered politics and established the Pakistan Movement for Justice in 1996. He became a member of parliament in 2002 and was elected to the legislature in 2013 as well. He excelled in the field of politics as well and is regarded one of the prominent politicians in Pakistan. It is not defeat that destroys you, it is being demoralized by defeat that destroy you. Are we Pakistanis, children of a lesser God? Is there one law for the West and one for us? Is our democracy supposed to be only democracy if you give us a no-objection certificate? Never give up, no matter how hard life hits, no matter how much pain you feel. Pain will eventually subside, nothing remains forever, so keep going and don't give up. Compromise for your dream, but never compromise on your dream. Imran Khan, we must speak the truth if we are to be a great nation. Imran Khan, faith without wisdom and knowledge could produce bigots completely lacking in compassion and tolerance. 1. We shall never lie and always speak the truth. 2. Leave our egos behind and only think of this nation. There are 11 crore Pakistanis living beneath poverty line. 3. We shall be brave and break the shackles of fear. 4. We have to bring justice to this society. Even if our friends and relatives do injustice, never give up, no matter how hard life gets, no matter how much pain you feel. Pain will eventually subside, nothing remains forever, so keep going and don't give up. Talent or intelligence doesn't matter. It's your dreams that will decide how big of a person you will become. You all have to make a new Pakistan. Naya Pakistan is not a slogan, it's a belief. I do not have any fears, no fear of dying, of failure, of anything. That means I am very dangerous for my opponents. Compromise for your dream, but never compromise on your dream. It is not defeat that destroys you, it is being demoralized by defeat that destroy you. I am not anti-West, I am pro-Pakistan. I've always believed that one should not be scared of losing. I think that really is the key. I further promise you that all my wealth and property will be in Pakistan. When I came into politics, I always thought there was a possibility I would be killed. If your house is burning, wouldn't you try and put out the fire?